Hello guys, this is your boy, the one and only, the notorious Nas Ape. So, okay. Okay, guys, I'm back with another video, and on this one, we'll be just breaking down USA 30. Since we all know today is the last day of, okay, the last trading day of the week. English, guys. Understand, this is the last trading day of the week. Guys, you know this English thing. I might just problem is I like talking fast, and once I start talking fast, then I start spitting out errors. Understand, but just understand. Just focus on the scale, guys. Understand? Let's not focus on the English too much. Let's focus on making money and the scale. Understand? So yeah, I'll be breaking down USA 30 with you guys. And by the way, guys, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and like, and hey, you guys don't comment, but no problem. Let's just get into our work here. As I said, I'll be breaking down USA 30. There's this nice setup that I just saw, so I want you guys to keep an eye on this setup. So to new traders and you not new traders, to my new viewers, understand, if you don't know how I analyze, make sure you check out my previous videos. Understand, you'll see that I don't change how I analyze. I do the same thing every day. Understand, I do the same thing every day. Understand, yeah. So as you know, we go to our line chart. Go to our line chart on our weekly time frame. So we'll be identifying our strong zones here on the line chart. Understand? So as we can see, we have a strong zone there. Another one there. So this current one, this one, and we're going to use it as a zone too. As you see, it already rejected from that zone. Understand? So there's another one. And you don't have to, by the way, you don't have to identify a lot of zones, guys. You see those zones I just identified there. They are fine, understand? They are fine. I don't have to identify a zone that's there, understand? It's going to take years for it to reach to your zone, understand? Just identify the zones that the market is currently approaching, understand? So that you can use those zones during the day, understand? Not a zone that you're going to use after 5 years, understand? So as you see, guys, and USA 30 was on a strong downtrend, understand? Nowadays, I don't like using trend lines. I don't know why, understand? If you can check my analysis, I don't really use trend lines that much, understand? I like using zones because indices, guys, like respecting zones, understand? So when you check here, if you're going to use a trend line, you're going to place a trend line there, and you see that, okay, USA 30 broke that downtrend line, understand? So what you should expect is buying opportunities, and I'm expecting buying opportunities too, but I'm not going to use the trend line as my part of my analysis, understand? I'm going to use this zone here. As I said, I don't like using trend lines nowadays. I like using zones, understand? You'll see on my analysis that most of the time I focus on zones, understand? So you can see that, okay, USA 30 respected this weekly zone here, and then broke another weekly zone, understand? Broke another weekly zone. So currently what I'm expecting USA 30 to buy hard until that zone, understand? To buy hard until that zone. I was going to show you my Nasdaq analysis. If you can check my previous Nasdaq YouTube video that I dropped, and I told you that I'm expecting Nasdaq to buy to a certain zone, understand? If you can go and check that video and check the zones that I identified, understand? It went to our TP, understand? It went to our TP. So, like, the reason why I'm saying that is because, like, I want to show you that these things work, understand? This thing work, guys. Like, after breaking a zone, if it retests inside other particular zones, is going to go for the highest zone, understand? So that's what currently we're expecting. So we're not going to buy it exactly where it is, understand? So let me just delete this thing here. So we're going to use this previous resistance zone as our entry zone, understand? So let me just go to our 1 hour time frame just to like try to make it smaller, understand? If we can't make it smaller, then we'll just use it as it is, understand? As you can see, we can't make it smaller here, guys. It's the market like rejected exactly. Now I'm out of words, guys. uh so by the way, yeah, that's what I'm currently expecting, understand? Let me just do this so that you can understand, because someone will be saying, you're saying we're going to buy, but so here's what I'm expecting, guys. I'm expecting it to drop, enter this zone, then boom, understand? I'm targeting that high there, that previous weekly zone, understand? So that's my analysis. That's what I'm currently expecting on US30. And there's a high possibility that it drops now, understand? Because when you check here, there's another zone there, and it just already reacted on that zone, understand? You can see how it's reacting on that zone. But I don't think that zone is gonna hold, because you already saw that on our 4 hour time frame, US30 broke, what do you call it? There was a USDT, it was on a downtrend, and then it broke that trend, understand? So we can see that, okay, we should the market is bullish, understand? The market is bullish, and as you see here, now I'm just saying these things, guys, are not necessary for you to look out for, understand? But I'm just gonna say them. Like, you can see that, okay, the market is creating higher highs and lower lows, higher highs, understand? You can see it just created a higher high, and also we're expecting a lower low so that we can enter our buys, and then boom, understand? So that's my setup there, guys. That's my setup. Let me just do this. And about stop loss, hey guys, now when it comes to stop losses, I'm not going to give you stop losses, guys. You have to use your own stop loss, understand? You have to use your own stop loss. You know how much you funded, understand? And you know how much you want to risk on that account of yours, understand? So when it comes to stop losses, guys, don't take my stop loss, understand? You don't know how much I'm trading with, so use your own stop loss, understand? But you know that, okay, a safe zone to put a stop loss, it's underneath the previous resistance zone that's gonna be turned into support right now, understand? So a stop loss, you can put it there, or there, understand? Depends on you where you wanna put it, understand? But mine, I'll put it somewhere there, understand? Anywhere there. So yeah, that's my USA30 analysis, guys. That's what I'm currently expecting. And if it drops, guys, if it drops, enters that zone, and it gives us confirmation. And by the way, we still need confirmation, guys, if it comes, enters our zone, understand? And how we confirm, we use candlesticks, understand? I already created a video about how I get my confirmations, understand? So if it enters that zone, gives us confirmation, and if it enters that zone, gives us proper confirmation that it's buying, and 3:30, it's gonna be a buy. Understand? 3:30, it's gonna be a buy. So by the way, guys, I'm now out. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Understand?